Yeah, we're starting this kind of like mini service. So started off with the very easy things. Fill up the washer bottle. So there's a little bit more to go in there. And about a litre of screen wash. That's full. Just going to suck the oil out of the dipstick. It makes a lot of noise and the compressor kicks on and off a lot because that's kind of how it does its thing. I dropped an O-ring down here, which I'm going to try and hook out with something. So otherwise I'll be accused of not changing it. There we go. Proof of the O-ring. Right, so O-ring out. That was this one on the end of the oil filter doohickey. So I'm just going to change that. I'm going to have to try and do this all in one take because not only is my phone battery a bit past its best, I keep running out of storage on my phone. I'm only just started out on this YouTube and content creating and whatnot, and I'm really enjoying it and it's doing really well, but I'm not really one for gadgets, to be honest, and I think it's told me that this isn't really a gadget. It's kind of like if I'm going to do this as part of my revenue income, I'm going to need some better kit. Don't really want to spend a lot of money on a phone. I think I'd rather buy like a digital camera, FZ one, Sony or something, you know, probably a second-hand one. Right, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to probably stick this on for a bit. What have we got? 1, 2. I think most of the oil's out now, but let's continue. You'll see this start to shake and bubble.